Welcome to the ultimate comparison of Coinbase and Gemini, two of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. If you're looking to decide between these platforms, stick around as we break down key points to help you make an informed choice. Ease of use. Coinbase offers a simple, streamlined process to buy, sell, and manage crypto, making it ideal for newcomers. Gemini, on the other hand, has a more robust interface that may seem a bit more complex but is favored by users with some crypto experience. Supported cryptocurrencies. Coinbase supports over 200 cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Gemini offers fewer options, around 100 cryptocurrencies, but includes all the major ones. Security. Coinbase insures USD funds up to $250,000 and keeps 98% of customer funds offline in cold storage. Gemini also provides insurance and is the first exchange to complete a SOC 2 Type 2 security exam. Mobile apps. Coinbase's app is easy to use for beginners, while Gemini's app is feature-rich and has advanced functionalities for seasoned traders. Both apps offer similar features like price alerts, quick trades, and portfolio management. Staking and interest earning. Coinbase allows users to stake certain coins like Ethereum and earn rewards. Gemini takes it a step further with its Gemini Earn feature, where users can earn interest on over 40 cryptocurrencies. Educational resources. Coinbase shines in this area with its Coinbase Learn and Earn features, where users can watch short videos about crypto and earn small amounts of various cryptocurrencies. Gemini has a more traditional blog and help center. Availability. Coinbase is available in over 100 countries, making it a globally accessible platform. Gemini is available in fewer countries but still covers the major markets. Advanced trading features. Coinbase Pro offers more technical charting tools, lower fees, and order types like limit and stop orders. Gemini's active trader platform also caters to experienced traders with features like block trading, auctions, and advanced charts. Conclusion: if you're a beginner looking for simplicity and broader coin options, Coinbase is your go-to. But if you're security conscious, interested in earning crypto interest, or an advanced trader, Gemini might be a better fit. Drop a comment below on which platform you prefer or if you've had any experiences with either of them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons like this.